What is going on, everybody? This is Trader Josh, and I want to welcome you guys to the channel. And before I start this video, I want to let you guys know that God loves you all, okay? God loves you. Don't you ever forget it, all right? And with that being said, guys, we got a lot to get into, so let's do it. What's going on, everybody? Today we're talking about ticker symbol TRKA, okay? TRKA Media Group, okay? There's a lot of news to get into today. We will read some of the news, then we will get into the charts. But before I start, I want to let you guys know that they have an expected earnings date on February on Monday. I just ate some ice. My bad, you guys. We didn't know how it is when you eat some ice and your tongue, just sticks everywhere. All right. But like I said, guys, they are expected to update their earnings on the 27th, which would be this Monday, okay? And if y'all want to look at more financials, we can do so, all right? We will definitely get into this, and in a minute here, we'll look into this a little later. But I want to let you guys know right here, okay? So the total revenue would be 227 million last year, which they said it was a record breaking. Oh, right here in Q1 of 2023, okay? 2023, baby. Okay? 120 million just about. That is up 1,300% from the last reported revenue, okay? So let's see what their next revenue looks like on the 27th. Oh, did I get it right? 27th, yes, Monday, okay? So let's get into some of the news, something that I found, and I'll show you guys right now. Penny stocks to watch. This was rated number 2 on the penny stocks to watch. What does this mean for penny stocks? Generally speaking, not much, which is why they are one of the ideal assets that retail traders focus on daily. In this article, we look at a handful of cheap stocks to watch that we are heading higher as a broader market drops lower. Once you see why they're moving, you can decide if they're the best penny stocks to buy now or avoid entirely, okay? So let's get into TRKA. What do they have to say about TRKA today on the charts, okay? So, shares of TRKA have been on our list of penny stocks this year. One of the underlying catalysts is TRKA's situation with Blue Torch. As you guys know, Blue Torch, they had an agreement. It was going to expire. They furthered the agreement. That is very good news, okay? Last month, the two companies entered a further limited waiver of certain events of default under an original March 2022 finance agreement, okay? There are currently good faith negotiations between the companies to amend the deal and mitigate events of default this month. An updating filing showed the company entered into an amended and restated limited waiver of default events. In particular, the A&R limited waiver will expire on the earliest of it says on the earliest of X, okay? They did not put the date up here, but February 10th was the day that they had furthered their agreement. It was supposed to expire on the 7th. They furthered the agreement on the 10th. So it should be anywhere from February 5th to February 10th, okay, next year. Okay, so we have about a year. And the occurrence of an event of default under the financing agreement that is not a specified event of default. A failure by the companies to comply with certain sale and refinancing milestones set forth in a side letter agreed by the company and the letters June 20, 2023, subject to potential extension of up to 60 days. Okay. Well, in addition, this is what you guys love, and this is what you guys been hearing everywhere, and you guys been pumping and pumping and pumping because of this, all right? In addition, TRKA also withdrew a registration statement, which saw a bullish reaction in the market. The company has retained Jefferies to help in its search for strategic alternatives, said Sid T. Explain. We believe that now is the time to explore opportunities to optimize our capital structure and have engaged a market leader in Jefferies to maximize our ability to deliver shareholder value. We have worked closely with our senior secured lender over the last 8 months, and recently announced an amended and restated limited waiver, which provides us with time to explore different means to enhance shareholder value. Okay. And with renewed optimism and a longer runway with its lenders, traders continue closely watching TRKA stock. Okay. Also, another thing I wanted to point out on Investor Observer, TRKA was marked number 1 in the top 10 gainers pre-market. Okay. That is very good. And the withdrawing statement would be right here. As you guys see, they requested to withdraw registration statement of Form S1, which would be the IPO, the public offering, or the, let's just read it, okay, pursuant to Rule 477. I'm not going to get into any of that. If you want to read, pause here. I'll put my hand up so you know, pause here. And then pause here just so you know, read who signed off on this one. All right, we ain't gonna get into that because I have a whole nother video on that in the past. Okay, that's in the past. This is the present. All right, on March 10th, 2022, the company entered into a firm commitment letter with a multi-million-dollar institutional investor to provide up to $75 million first lien. Okay, I did not know that was 2022. Where is this at? Date of report 2022. Okay, so we're gonna close that out. All right, but I did want to find the outstanding shares that they have, and I seen that it was anywhere. Tell me if I'm wrong, you guys, but I seen that it was anywhere from two things I want to talk about. I want to ask you guys questions on this one, so please leave a comment below, okay, and let me know what you think. First, I want to know, is it true that the outstanding shares are 67 million? Because I remember last week when I did a video, the outstanding shares were 98 million. If they're 68 million now, that is good. That means that we're currently going down slowly but surely, okay? And as you guys know, this is a long term anyway, so slowly but surely is always good, okay? And with the market that we are in, Friday was a red day overall for a lot of stocks, but TRKA could not help but to stand out in that market, okay? And honestly, that makes me feel good, okay? We closed the day at about 31 cents, just about. Let me get that out the way. We closed the day at 31.40. Yeah, that's very good, okay? I was hoping to close at around 35, but that's good too, okay? As you guys know, we are going to test resistance at 36 cents. We're definitely going to test it at 34 and 35, okay? That's why none of these have tapped it yet, and I really need to update my charts. So we have to hold a dollar for a consistent 30 days, okay? 30 consecutive business days, okay? Looks to me like we are following that trend, okay? There's a lot of support levels and resistance here. I truly am sorry for that, okay? But I have no control over that, okay? So I'm just saying this is things that I have seen. But I'm going to let you guys know, last week when I did my last video on this, and I'm pretty sure it was my last video, it could have been the one before, but we were in a downward trend, okay? And I told you guys, I said if we can break, at least move sideways, like say, look, I'm going to show you guys right here. The downward trend was like this, okay? And I told you guys, I said if we can just move sideways for a couple days, and then that we would break out of the downward trend and it would turn into an upward trend, okay? And as you guys see, we did do that, okay? We did do that. I don't want to delete something else that wasn't posted. All right, but no, I think it was actually right down here too. This is where we were in a downward trend, and I said if we can close out about right there. I'm not sure, but in my last video I did say that, and whatever reason I circled that, we did tap it. I'm glad it's still up here. I'll close that now, but I'm glad that we did tap that. That's probably right here was downward, and I said if we can move. So it could have been last Monday. I was saying if we can move sideways just for a couple days, it turned into an upward trend, and we could possibly just keep going up from there. And honestly, you guys, this is a pretty steep upward trend that we are in right now. For those of you who do not know, this is called a linear regression channel. And a linear regression channel is there for something for investors and people who are reading the charts to know what trend we are in. That's why I say downward or upward trend, okay? As you guys see, we're in a downward trend. But I did update my charts, and I want to let you guys know we did tap the 31 cent. We closed off at the 31 cent. And let me zoom in a little closer so we can look at that EMA 13 line, okay? It is an EMA. It's not a L something something. It's an EMA 13 line, okay? As you guys see right here. It's not a, what was that other one? Everybody's asking me about it. I forget. It's not that one. RSI. It's not an RSI line. It's an EMA line, okay? As you guys see right here. And they're lit up green and red because I have the 13 and the 34 only. And as you guys see, the green is above the red right now. And that is very, very good. Let's get into where's it at? Okay, TRKA Media Group Incorporation retains leading investment banking firm Jefferies LLC to optimize its capital structure and explore strategic alternatives. Okay, this was uploaded February 22nd, 2023. Okay, New York, TRKA Media Group, a consumer engagement and customer acquisition solutions group, announces the engagement of Jefferies LLC, a leading global full-service investment banking firm, to optimize TMG's existing capital structure and to explore strategic alternatives. TMG is a professional services company that architects and builds enterprise value in consumer brands to generate scalable, performance-driven revenue growth. The company delivers three solution pillars. TMG creates brands and experiences and connects consumers through emerging technology products and ecosystems to deliver performance-based measurable business outcomes. Okay, and I might have to use TRKA Media Group for my. No, I'm playing. I'm not. I don't know nothing about them, but I might want to look into them. Like, try to figure out what they really do. Like something. What can I get into with them? You know, maybe. But we're not here to talk about that, okay, guys? I don't want to take too much of your guys' time, but I do want to let you guys know a lot of people are talking about a squeeze on this one, and I want your guys' opinion. And I will do updates and updates and updates every day if it is asked of me, which we do talk a lot in the Discord about a lot. Okay, there's 40 people in it. Link in the bio will be there. Also, my dad's YouTube channel will be in the bio too. He's trying to get started on this thing, you know what I mean? And he knows a lot, you know. Send some questions his way, you know. And so, like I was saying, I will do an update on this daily if it is asked of me. And if you guys ask me in this video, hey, do an update on Sunday, Monday, or whenever, I will do an update on that day. I try to always bang, bang. Right when y'all ask me, I try to get to it. You know what I mean? But with that being said, guys, this video was on TRKA. Okay, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Comment anywhere. You can comment down there. You can comment in the Discord. I will make a one-on-one group with you guys. And I'm gonna let you guys know right now, you know, I'm not one of these other YouTubers, okay? I am wanting to be a YouTuber, okay? I'm gonna tell you that now. That's my main goal. I want to be a YouTuber. I don't want to be no Patreon or Discord money maker off you guys, okay? That's what one thing I was going to say. My Discord is free, okay? Don't be scared to hit that button and join it, all right? At 40 people, there's tons of people you could ask questions to, you could talk to, joke around with, you know. If you ain't got nowhere else to be, you could be there, okay? And that's just how I am. You know, I'll never try to make money on you guys. That is not my goal, okay? And at the end of this video, right about here, I'm going to show you guys the position that I hold right here in TRKA. So hit that subscribe button, guys. I love you all. And until then, I will see you guys when I see you guys in the next video, okay? All right. Okay, you guys, like I said, I will be showing you guys my position that I hold in TRKA, and I'm going to keep this short for you guys, okay? So the position that I hold would be roughly 5,219 shares at a market value of 32 cents, okay? I will be looking to add more, okay? I'm currently down $65, okay? I look to be up a little more when the next coming days. Okay, I do have about $700 uninvested cash that I may be putting into TRKA on Monday. Okay, depends how it turns out. But thank you guys for watching the video. Okay, join the Discord in the link below. Let's stay in touch always. Okay, it will be free until the end of my days. Okay, I love you all, and until then, I will see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all be safe out there. Stay positive.